Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Verdie. I am a licensed nail tech, small business owner, and content creator. If you enjoy this content, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. So I am doing a fall set of nails today, surprise, surprise. But my last video, I did go through a bunch of my fall acrylics, so I am going to be using one of them today. It is going to be a chocolate brown, and so before I start applying the brown acrylic, I want to go in with a very, very thin layer of clear acrylic, kind of mimicking how I would do naturally on my own nails. I would either go in with rubber base coat, a layer of rubber base coat, or clear acrylic, so that when I remove the color, I just file down to that clear layer and not have to file down to my natural nails. So that is why I was doing that. Also, this brown may actually stain your natural nails as well. So it serves as two different forms of protection. So I am using my Red Iguana hand, my Red Iguana practice hand, and it has been a while, you guys. I don't think I've done a set of nails on this hand for about 2 to 3 months, and I haven't really been doing a whole lot of acrylic application. There are some videos that I did record throughout my quote unquote break, unintentional break, that I'm probably not going to upload. But for the most part, I think this whole summer I may have done like less than 10 sets of nails in 3 months. So I don't know. I don't really particularly care for the application process on this video, but I'm going to show it anyway because there's a point I want to make. I do go in with multiple beads, especially on long nails this length. I do not know how people pick up those extremely large beads on these long nails. The brush I'm using is actually a size 12 brush. It's the Greg signature brush from Young Nails. I actually love this brush a lot. But I'm like, how do you pick up these large beads? So the point I'm trying to make is when you're using the smaller beads, it does create a lot of dips in the nail, especially if you're working in an environment that's a little bit warmer. Your beads do set up a little bit faster. So one thing that you really have to pay attention to when you're using multiple beads, as I do, is looking at the nail from all angles, making sure those dips are filled in, making sure that you're trying your best to get the smoothest application. Sometimes the nails can come out thick, as you guys might see that in my glitter bottom nail video. Those nails did come out thick because I was using multiple beads and they were setting up pretty fast. I'll link that video. The nails still came out nice. I still like the nails, but they were thicker than I wanted. So with these nails, because I'm doing them on my practice hand, I'm not really concerned too much with the structure of the nail. And what I mean by that is if I was doing these nails on myself, then I would have went in with a clear layer of acrylic on top. But because I'm only doing them on the practice hand, I didn't go in with that clear layer. Um, which kind of contradicts what I did in the first part of the video, right? Because I'm like, oh, if I were to do it this way on my natural nails, I would definitely put down that clear layer. But I didn't put the clear layer to add additional structure and strength to the nail. But I will say, if you are going in with 100% color acrylic, if you're not sure if it's a core powder, if you're not sure if it's a strength powder, definitely go do a thin layer and then go over it with a medium-sized layer of that clear acrylic, just to make sure the structure of the nail is sound. And especially if you're doing these longer length nails, it's so easy to get these caught in a door. I got my nails when I've worn my nails this long, the freezer at Safeway. I don't know if there's a Safeway on the East Coast, but the West Coast, we have Safeways. It's a grocery store. I was opening the freezer and then it got caught on the handle for the other side of the door. I've done that with my refrigerator at home, I have double-sided doors, or if like cabinets. So basically, when you're wearing your nails this length, you definitely run the risk of getting it caught in a lot of stuff. Just doing random stuff like closing the car door. I was closing my front door one time and closed it on the nail, my security gate, and broke off a piece of the nail. So definitely you want to make sure that you have the right structure for your nail, based on the length of the nails. That's what I did all that rambling for. But I wanted to give you guys examples. So the color that I'm using is Midnight Run from Not Polished. And this was in my Shop My Stash video, which I will link in the cards above if you haven't watched that. Basically, in that video, I know that I wanted to create fall nails or use fall colors. And before purchasing anything, I definitely wanted to go through my collection and see what I already had. So I swatched a bunch of my acrylics. So definitely check that out if you are looking for some fall colors that you might want to add to your collection. So again, the color is Midnight Run by Not Polished. As always, I will leave all of the information for the products I use and any discount codes I have in the description box below. So definitely check that out. I am using my Red Iguana hand. I did say that earlier. I know that she came out with a new one. Has anyone tried the hand or ordered it yet? I mean, I'm pretty good with the hand that I have. I still have 2 flexi finger hands that I have, but I actually prefer this hand. But is the new hand better than this one? Let me know if you guys have tried it. I haven't really seen too many videos on it. I do know that she uploaded, the owner of Red Iguana did upload a bunch of stuff on the hand, but I wanted to see other people's reviews. So let me know what you guys think, or if you did see a review, don't leave the link, but leave the name of the creator in the comments. The reason I say don't leave a link is because if you leave a link, YouTube will delete your comment. So they don't really allow links anymore. It's weird, but let me know what you guys think of the new hand if you've used it. And so after this, I'm going to shape and file off camera. I didn't have to do too much shaping and filing. I think it took about 10 minutes to do. And after that, what I'm going to do is I want to do a 2-tone fringe, meaning matte and glossy. So I think I kind of did this out of order, but I'm going to paint the entire nail matte. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to use these stickers I got off Amazon. It's a pack, and they're in my Amazon storefront. It's a pack of stickers where you can just do a lot of different designs. It has a lot of different stickers for French. Like you can do it with the triangle. You can do a deep French. So I thought it would be helpful for those of us who aren't the best artists. So I am just applying them here. And when I say I think I messed up is I think it would have been stickier on the actual nail without the matte polish. So now I'm just going in with this with this shiny top coat. And after that, I'm going to remove the stickers. And off camera, I did apply some rhinestones. I don't remember where I got the rhinestones from. I've had those for years and years, so I don't remember where I got those from. But here in the next clip is the finished look. I do like how these turned out. I did go over after I applied the rhinestones with another layer of matte and then another layer of the shiny. So I think I should have just done the rhinestones first and I wouldn't have needed the stickers. But hey, it's all a process. I do like how these turned out. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this content, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching.